SEO keyword research is key to success on YouTube. If you want to grow your views and your subscribers, you need to do this work before you start creating content. I'll show you how to do it with vidIQ free version and vidIQ Pro version so that you get the best keywords and keyword phrases onto your titles and descriptions of your videos and into your tags so that you can attract viewers and grow your channel. Hey, I'm Malin. I'm your online business mentor here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified and grab your coffee. Let's dive in. Click the link below this video to get to vidIQ so that you can sign up on their page. vidIQ is all about getting more views on YouTube, and this awesome tool will help you with your keyword research. It's here for free if you want to. There are some other plans as well. I'll show you keyword research with the free version and the pro version. So enter your email address and a password, sign up for free, or sign up with your Google account. There are several plans with vidIQ. I'll show you the basic plan and how to keyword research with that. And I'll also show you the pro version and how you can get keyword suggestions with that version. And you pay a very decent amount every month for the pro versions. And then you have the Boost and the Boost Plus versions as well, but I'll be showing you pro and basic today. Once you've made up your mind for vidIQ, you need to hop onto the Chrome web store and look for vidIQ in the store and install the extensions that you need. Just click on the vidIQ Vision extension. It's safe to install it on your browser. Once you've done that, you can start searching for keywords on YouTube. And to the right, you have this vidIQ window, which gives you a lot of information, a score, for example, on the keyword that you just pasted. Let's look for other keywords like keto. And you can also use the autocomplete that YouTube has, and that works well as well. So that's the free version. If you have the pro version, this icon pops up to the right of your window and you can get onto the web application of vidIQ, which will give you even hotter keyword search functions. So go on to the SEO with the magnifying glass. And if you want even more, the Boost version is there as well. You have to upgrade. Let's dive into the keyword research. So with the pro version, you enter a keyword here, and the cool thing is that you get suggestions for related keywords, which you didn't do on the free version. The free version is awesome as well, but this one gives you related keywords. This one is sorted on related score, which means how close are those suggestions to the keyword that you put in. And there are some of them are really close, and you should also look at the search volumes, because if it's close to 0, it's probably not worth much. There's a search score column as well, which is how much this is searched for on YouTube, and then there's a competition score, and you want a low competition score. So the overall score takes all of these into account, and you want the overall score to be as high as possible. And look at weight loss, it's not very high, and the related topics are not very high as well. I usually look for a score above 60 for the keywords that I want to use on my videos. So Weight Watchers, yeah, that's a good score, and you can scroll down the list and see what else there is. Let's type something completely different, like video marketing. I have a video that I want to improve my tags on. So I'm gonna look for video marketing, and I'm sorting it on overall score here. And this tool is so cool because it lets me check the boxes of the related keywords that I want. And once I've found the ones that are similar to my main keyword and that are included in my video, I can then go grab them and copy them. So once I'm happy with this, I'll just scroll to the top of the page and press the copy selected keywords button, and it's copied to my clipboard. This is awesome because now I create the video based on these keywords, And when I'm in the studio, I want to add these keywords to my tags. And I'm just gonna paste them in right like this. And since I had some tags beforehand, I now need to clean them up because they can only be about 500 characters. So I'll clean them up and then I'll organize my new tags and drag them to the top. So just click and drag them to the top and organize your tags. Make sure to include your main tags in your title and description of your video and you're good to go. So that's it. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the free version of vidIQ and the pro version of vidIQ for keyword research. You get the idea and now have fun with it. I'm a total geek. I can spend hours on this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below how it's going for you. If you have any additional questions, I'm happy to answer them. And check out my other videos related to this topic so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm here to support you create the business and life you deserve, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best.